The crucial multi-agency stakeholders meeting and case conference brought together a diverse coalition of experts, advocates and government representatives to tackle the pervasive issues of sexual and gender-based violence (SGBV) in Lagos State. The conference, organized by Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency, served as a platform for collaboration, knowledge sharing, and strategic planning, underscoring the DSVA's commitment to leading a comprehensive and coordinated response to SGBV.
No one ministry or department or agency can provide all the services that survivors require. Hence the need for a multidisciplinary approach in handling sexual and gender-based violence. And that's one of the reasons why we're here today. It's a GBV case conference meeting where we're meeting with all the relevant stakeholders, the Ministry of Youth and Social Development, Office of Education Quality Assurance, Ministry of Health, NGOs, non-governmental organizations in this space. We're all coming together, interrogating data, understanding trends, and forging a way forward, all in a bid to ensure that once survivors break the culture of silence, they are able to access holistic support.
By convening representatives from various sectors, including law enforcement, healthcare, social services, the judiciary, and non-governmental organizations, the Dsva fostered a collaborative environment for developing effective strategies and interventions.
That our services are survival-centered. Are we the ones contributing to the survivor not staying in that process in order to access justice? These are questions we need to ask ourselves. Because a system that fails to talk to each other fails survivors. If the Ministry of Justice is not talking to the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Education is not talking to Women Affairs, Women Affairs is not talking to Justice, Justice is not talking to Health, that system would never meet the needs of a survivor. That system has failed.
In a powerful call to action, Itoro Eze Anaba, founder of Mirabel Center Sexual Assault Referral Center, stressed that tackling the epidemic of rape and sexual violence requires all hands to be on deck and a fundamental shift in parenting approaches.
We need to teach our children to respect, but when something is no, the child should be empowered to say no. And when a child says no, you have to believe that child. It's not when the child, says no and runs back to you and you begin to say, oh, this child is stubborn, oh, this child is rude, oh, this child does not respect elders. So there's a lot of training that needs to go on right from the home. But it's not just about the home, it extends to the society. All of us have a role to play. We all have things to do, including the government, the church, the traditional rulers, the professional associations, every aspect of society has to come together, and there has to be that synergy in order for us to tackle the issue of rape and sexual violence.
Schools are on holidays, and you'll find that some parents do not have a caregiver, for example, and they leave such children at the mercy of uncles, aunties, relatives, house helps. And it's not as if they are not exposed to that when in school, but they are now more vulnerable to such occurrences. So when a child reports that kind of occurrence, for example, to a lawyer or an agency in charge of that, investigations should go on, should start immediately, and check, for example, how the extent to which such harm has been done, so that you will know what to protect against. What at that point, psychologically, mentally, socially, that child has been disrupted. The mental state of the child has been disrupted. So you need to bring back that child or that offender to book.
The multi-agency stakeholders meeting and case conference represents a significant step forward in the fight against SGBV in Lagos State. By bringing together diverse voices and representatives, the DSVA is fostering a collaborative and coordinated approach that is essential for creating a safer and more just society for all. Love Uyidoku for Cable News 24.